Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your educator at Entry App. So guys, as soon as we had the information regarding CET from Government of India, like we'll be having two center of CET in Ladakh, one in Leh and another one in Kargil. So confusion among the student mind has been started. Students started thinking now we'll be having all the banking examination and notification under CET. So guys, I'll be clearing your all the confusion in this video, and we all know that ki IBPS PO and IBPS clerk 2021 notification highly expected very soon, and around 10,000 plus vacancies in both of these two notification together highly expected. So guys, we'll not be talking about these two notification in this video, but apart from these two notification or these two exams, what are the notification and banking exam before CET will be having in this year, we'll be discussing. So guys, first of all, let's come to the NIACL, New India Assurance Company Limited. So we all know that NIACL has announced AO, NIACL AO or administrative officer, around 300 posts are there. Form filling is running on, so you can fill the form. 21st September is the last date, guys. So this is the examination you'll be having before CET. NIACL assistant is highly expected very soon. So guys, obviously before CET you'll be having the examination for NIACL assistant also. Now guys, let's come to the most awaited notification of from State Bank of India, that is SBI PO. Any graduate can apply. So around 2000 plus vacancies will be there under SBI PO 2021, and guys, the examination of SBI PO 2021 highly expected in November or December month, guys. So obviously before CET will be having the examination for SBI PO 2021 as well. All the notification and all the examination, banking examination I'm talking about for all the graduated student, like any graduate can apply. And guys, now let's come to the LIC notification. So we always talk about the LIC AO 2021. So LIC AO with around 600 to 700 vacancy highly expected very soon, and the examination of LIC AO we can expect by the end of this year, obviously before CET, guys. And now let's talk about the LIC assistant and LIC ADO. So guys, either of these two notification or these two exam, I have to say either of these two exams is highly expected in the early of the next year, like in 2022, in the early of the 2022 you can expect LIC assistant or LIC ADO. So guys, around 7,000 vacancies will be there, and again any graduate can apply. And now let's come to the miscellaneous notification from RBI side. RBI assistant highly expected in the notification I'm talking about, highly expected in September last week or the October first week. So you can expect this notification very soon, and obviously the examination for RBI assistant will be conducted before CET. Guys, RBI grade B notification. Yes guys, we know that RBI is completely done with the RBI grade B previous year recruitment. Now RBI will be looking forward to do another recruitment drive for RBI grade B, obviously. But RBI grade B examination, I have to say, is highly expected in the early of the next year, like in January 2022 you can expect RBI grade B examination. All the examination and all the notification timeline I am discussing is irrespective of the COVID-19. If there will be impact of COVID-19, like if third wave, the impact of third wave will be increased, so obviously we can see a bit delay in the dates and the examination date and the notification dates I am talking about. Okay, so we can expect some delays. So guys, these are the notification, these are the examination you can definitely expect before CET, guys. So don't worry about that. There are various opportunity before CET. So what you have to do right now, you have to keep doing your preparation, nothing else, because before CET there are various examination and there are various notification are aligned. So guys, this is all about the video. If you guys are preparing for any banking and insurance exam, then you guys can join our Entry Gold Banking batch, for which for that purpose you have to fill a small Google form that you can find in description field and pin comment as well. So बहुत छोटा सा फॉर्म है, उसको आप फिल कीजिए, मेरी टीम आपको कॉल बैक करेगी, and you will be provided with free live classes. Yes guys, you will be provided with free live classes, recorded classes, PDF material, 24/7 personalized mentorship, WhatsApp group, doubt clearing session, and all the things that you want to clear the banking exams in 2021. So guys, this is Akash Shukla signing off, and good luck for the examination. Please like the video, share the video, subscribe to the channel, and fill the form given in description field and the pin comment as well. Thank you very much, guys.